Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save blocks in the system data editor. But first of all, let me explain what is a block. In one word, a block is a grouping of elements and content that can be saved and reused on other pages. So this is one of my funnel and this is my another funnel. So let's say I want to use these social media sections on this page, on the bottom over here. So how can we do that? So for doing it, first of all, let's open the first one. So I will just open this one. Then click on edit page. Then scroll down below. Then just select these sections. Then click on sections. Then these sections will be selected. Now the sections, if I delete the sections, you can see it delete the entire section. So we don't need to delete the entire section. Just select these sections. Then you will see a icon over here, this save icon. So just click over here and then so I'll just write on your social media. Then just click on create. Now we need to open this funnel. So I will come over here and then I will just open this funnel. Then click here edit page. Now see, we want to use the blocks over here. Let's say over here. So what we need to do, we need to just click on blocks. Then click on my blocks. And then see, you can see social media. So if I drag the social media blocks over here, see our social media icons has been come over here. Now let's say we also want to add the text. So how can we do that? Now click over here, then just click on this save icons and then write down your title name and then click on create, then it will be come to that another page. But now let's see, do you want to create a master block? Now what is master block? Master block means if I change the element, let's see, first of all, if from here, from this page, if I change this Instagram icon, let me delete this one. So let's delete this Instagram image. And if I click save changes, and I come over here, the another page, let's also click save changes here. If I reload the page, then see, here you can see the Instagram icon is here. But in this page, see the Instagram icon is not here. But if we create a master block, if I change the image over here, then the image automatically also changed from other pages too. So that's the master block. So yes, that's it for this particular video. This way you can easily save blocks and use your one page element to any other pages you want.